What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 represents the fourth industrial revolution, a term that captures the digital transformation of manufacturing and industrial processes. Unlike the previous revolutions, which were driven by mechanization, electricity, and automation, Industry 4.0 is characterized by a fusion of technologies that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. At its core, Industry 4.0 integrates cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, and cloud computing to create a smart factory environment. In these factories, machines are not just automated, they're intelligent, capable of making decisions based on real-time data. This shift allows for more efficient, flexible, and customized production processes, enhancing everything from supply chain management to product quality. Imagine a factory where machines can talk to each other. Sensors can monitor equipment health, predict failures, and even order their own replacement parts. Or, picture robots collaborating with humans on tasks, not replacing them. This allows for more efficient production, higher quality products, and even personalized items at scale. But what are the implications for the workforce? Are robots going to steal everyone's jobs? Well, the truth is, Industry 4.0 is actually creating new jobs. These will require new skills, though. We'll need people who can analyze data, program robots, and design these futuristic systems. So it's a shift, not a replacement. Now, let's delve into the technologies that make Industry 4.0 possible. First, the Internet of Things plays a critical role. By connecting physical devices through sensors and software, IoT enables machines to communicate, collect, and exchange data. In a smart factory, IoT devices monitor machine health, track production processes, and even predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Another key technology is artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, optimize processes, and make informed decisions. For example, AI can predict equipment failures before they occur, allowing for preventative maintenance that saves time and money. Digital twins are also transforming the industrial landscape. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical asset, system, or process. By simulating real-world scenarios, digital twins allow manufacturers to optimize operations, test new strategies, and foresee potential issues before they happen. Lastly, cloud computing provides the necessary infrastructure to store, process, and analyze the massive amounts of data generated by IoT devices. With cloud-based platforms, manufacturers can access real-time data from anywhere, making the production process more agile and responsive to changing demands. While Industry 4.0 brings about incredible efficiencies, it also transforms the workforce. Automation takes over repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. However, this shift also necessitates new skills. Workers must adapt to new technologies, learn to work alongside machines, and develop expertise in areas like data analysis and system management. The future workforce will need to be more skilled, agile, and adaptable to thrive in this new industrial landscape. Overall, it seems like Industry 4.0 holds a lot of promise for the future of manufacturing. It's a chance to boost productivity, create better products, and become more efficient.